A round of applause to the graduates and the kinder pupils. And now to introduce our guest speaker for today, please welcome Miss Rosaline B. Tagaygayan. Let's give her a warm of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. My task is to introduce our guest speaker. Our guest speaker was 11 years in service as master teacher in Torres Elementary School. She once worked with Mrs. Estelita J. Coronado, a district supervisor in public schools, as a teacher in charge of the private records. Presently, she is a principal of Jubilar Rivero Memorial Elementary School. And now, ladies and gentlemen, in behalf of Mrs. Estelita J. Coronado, our guest speaker this afternoon, Mrs. Centra C. Quiro. Let's give her a warm applause.